Okay, I'm going to explain how to use Python GUI builder.com. First, you choose to create a main window. You can choose any color you want for the window and the title. Here I'll type in main window hello exclamation point. Use these values and you drag and the main window appears just like that. The Python code is over here. There's also this snap to grid checkbox that you can use to make the widget snap in. Okay, we made a window. Let's make a button. The button text, well, first let's choose the color. Let's see, let's choose an extremely ugly color there. And the text will be order a sandwich. You can also define a function that's going to activate upon the button click. And you can choose a font and a font weight and a font size. Let's make it a big button. Again, use these values and we'll put the button wherever we want it over there. It's snapping to the grid right there. Good, and as you can see down here, you've made a button, but you can delete it if you check that box and then click on delete selected objects. So you can erase what you've created. Next, let's make a list. Let's make a label for it here. This is what kind of sandwich do you want for the user. Let's make it italic this time. Make the label a little bit smaller. Let's put it up there. Okay. Now for the list box. For our different types of sandwiches. We'll choose a color for the list box here. About that one. That looks appetizing. You create the items in the list box. You can choose how many items you want to create. I created 5 here. And you just type in the values that are going to appear in the list box. Anything is okay. There's no length limit and there's no punctuation limits on there. So here we go. Check the font. Let's make it Verdana normal. Okay. I'm going to use these values again and just drag and drop that list box wherever I want. So let's add a little bit more functionality here. This is a spin box. This allows you to have the user choose a range of numbers. We'll make it 15 characters wide. You can choose between 1 through 5 for the values. And I'll put it down there. This is going to be how many sandwiches do you want spin box. And again, you can see down there every object we've created, they can be deleted if you check beside them and click delete these objects. So it's very versatile. You can erase what you've done. Okay, let's just make a little label for that spin box for how many sandwiches. Good. Let's make the font pretty small this time and put the label right under the spin box there. There we go. That's it. All the Python code is over here. If you click, it's pretty long. If you click copy to clipboard, it automatically copies it into your clipboard. Now let's go over to our Python console. I'm using Spider, and I just pasted it in there. There it all is. It's all pre-formatted. So if you just click enter, then there's your GUI there. Let's compare it with the web version there. There's Python and there's the web, and there's Python and there's the web, and there's Python and there's the web, and there's Python and there's the web. So it's pretty close there with the layout. Pretty quick. So I hope you guys can give it a shot and use it. Thanks for watching. PythonGUIBuilder.com.